Hey everybody, it's Roger Grubb here.
And Clyde Bryant.
All right, so just wanted to make an announcement quickly that we just recently published an article on our website on some of the key strategies or some of the key tips on how to strategically take equity from your home in order to purchase a new one for investment purposes. Work with a lot of real estate investors, a lot of people who are interested in real estate investing, not quite sure how to come up with a down payment or where to source that down payment. And we got some really creative ideas on how to go about accessing the equity from your home, which is trapped in your home, and leveraging that to help you make money.
Correct. Yeah. So I think, first and foremost, what people don't realize is that, if they've purchased their home, let's say 3, 4, 5 years ago, there is actually a tremendous amount of equity that is available to you simply based on the appreciation value of your home or how quickly your home goes up, market dependent. 2, how quickly you've been paying down that mortgage, if you've exercised your mortgage prepayment privileges or just making your regular mortgage payments on a monthly, bi-weekly cycle. You're actually paying down your mortgage and creating equity in that home that you can utilize for, as we're here to discuss, buying a secondary residence, whether that be for rental purposes, secondary property, or whatnot.
Yeah. So as Robert Kiyosaki would say, the best way to utilize the equity in your home and to ensure that you retire as a rich dad, like this guy, right, is to leverage the equity in your home to purchase at least one other property, and then that could actually serve as for savings for you. The best way to leverage real estate, the best way to take advantage of real estate is to use the leverage and have somebody else pay your mortgage and live your dreams.
Live your dreams.
Anyway, check out the blog or the article. It's on our website and ways to access that equity to help you purchase another property. Until next time, Roger Grubb here.
And Clyde Bryant.
Signing out.